Welcome to Quarter 3, the Family and Consumer Science or FCS 7. For week 1, we have the lesson 1, the fundamentals of hospitality and tourism industry, tourism kinds and types, the hospitalities, the scope, types of accommodation, hotel types, and classification. For day 1, we have the tourism. Tourism is the fundamentals of the tourism industry. We have types and forms of tourism. First, the based on the point of origin, based on travel arrangements, and based on the purpose of travel. Based on the point of origin, first we have the domestic tourism. It happens when residents travel within their country of residence. Next, the international tourism. It involves travel outside the country of residence where currency, language, and visa are to be considered. For based on travel arrangements, first we have the inclusive tour. A travel where several components like accommodation, fare, food, and amenities are purchased together and one price is paid. Second, the independent travel. When needed components like accommodation, fare, food, and amenities are purchased separately. Third, the tailor-made travel. A combination of inclusive and independent travel, and the internet may be used for bookings and payments. For based on the purpose travel, leisure and recreations include visiting other places during weekends, holidays, or free time to visit friends and relatives, exploring other places for cultural tourism, and leisure and sports activities like swimming, hiking, and biking to beat stress and rejuvenate. Second, study travel includes visiting another place or country to learn or apply skills learned inside the classroom in a different environment, such as in the practicum training program. Third, health tourism, a wider term for travel that focuses on medical treatments and the use of healthcare services. Business and professional tourism involves traveling to a destination away from home or a normal workplace. Next, hospitality. Scope of hospitality industry, first the accommodation and lodging. Refers to a place where one stays but not his or her home. Travel services include transportation by air, land, or water. Travel and ticket bookings are also part of this service. Food and beverage services caters to anything that involves meals to be eaten by guests as well as the services done for this purpose, like table setting and food catering. Recreation and entertainment are the activities that provide fun amusements to guests. It can be in the form of sports and arts, whether visual or performance. Conventions and events management includes organizing activities for large meetings of an organization or group. Cruises are large passenger ships used mainly for vacation. We have types of accommodations and their characteristics. Catered accommodation, an accommodations that provides guests with food. Non-catered accommodation, an accommodation where food is not included in the package. The guest either dines out, brings his or her own food, or relies on food delivery services. That's the end of our lesson for today.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and hit the bell button.